Hello guys, welcome to lecture 13. In this lecture we are going to discuss about we are building a Angular app with Bootstrap for styling. So let's say how to do it. So in the first step what I am doing is with the help of Angular CLI I am installing Bootstrap, jQuery and popper.js with command npm install bootstrap space jQuery space popper.js. So after that I will do some modifications in angular.json file, that is in styles array I will add bootstrap.min.css file, and in scripts array I will add jQuery and popper and bootstrap.js files. So let's do this practically. So I am going to create a new project. Go to project directory or folder directory, type cmd, hit enter. So I am in D drive Angular projects. So create a new project. So invoke Angular CLI using ng and new project. Project name is Bootstrap Pro. This command will create a new project. So it will ask you to create root, say yes, and take CSS file. It's going to create a project. Go to the folder or go to the directory using cd bootstrap press tab. It will take into this and open this in Visual Studio Code by using Visual Studio Code space dot. This project will open in Visual Studio Code. So open our terminal and paste, just install the command. In order to install the bootstrap, jQuery and popper, we need to use this command npm install see jQuery 3.4.1 is added, bootstrap 4.31 is added, popper.js 1.15.0 version is added. So now what I am doing is I am going to the src folder and we have route component, right? So app.component.html, open it and clear this code. And what I will do is I will copy some code from here. This is the bootswatch.com. This it consists of all bootstrap related styles. So I will copy this code. I'm checking whether the bootstrap classes are applied or not. So just I'm copying. Control C and paste it here. And I am not yet added these things in Angular dot JSON file. So what I will do is I will go to the styles and I will add this command. Sorry, I will add this code and in scripts section I need to add three things. One is jquery.js, popper.min.js and bootstrap.js. Copy it and I'm using here and save it. Run the project ng serve -o. So project is building. As soon as it completes, it will open in browser. So successfully completed. See, so now bar is displaying like displaying. So all the bootstrap classes are added. So in this way, Unity has the bootstrap, jQuery, and popper.js. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.